A big sigh of relief for the government of India as the Supreme Court allows the extension of the ED Director, incumbent ED Director SK Mishra, till the 15th of September. This came even as the Supreme Court asked tough questions and raised concerns about why is it that the impression is being created that there are no other competent officials in the Enforcement Directorate or otherwise. However, due to the arguments being made regarding the impression of the country in an international stage, the upcoming FATF review and the need for continuity, the Supreme Court has for now allowed Mishra to continue in office till the 15th of September. We're speaking to Senior Advocate Anup Chaudhary, who was appearing for one of the petitioners in this matter. Sir, the court asked a lot of tough questions, but finally, of course, till 15th September, SK Mishra has been allowed to stay in office. But what exactly was the argument from the government that made the court take this decision?
Government's arguments were the same as it was, and they were contained in the counter affidavit filed in the main petition. They say this is happening, FAFT review is taking place, FAFT review will continue till the next year end of next year. But they said that information would be required, they will be doing site inspection. So without Mr. Mishra, no site inspection can take place. There is no joint director, it seems. There is no deputy director. There is nobody other than Mr. Mishra, who alone is handling the ED.
Sir, the issue that the court had also flagged is that that India's credit rating, India's reputation on an international stage is at stake, and the court has specifically noted in its order that under ordinary circumstances we would not be entertaining any such petitions. But one point that the government had raised was with regard to India's neighbors trying to affect our reputation at an international stage. What exactly was that argument that was made?
I don't know, that has not impressed the court at all, that argument. Neither the court has, in its order, mentioned anything about that such impression. But you see, that's very wrong to create such an impression. It's purely an administrative thing. ED is not such a big post. It's not something like the Home Minister or the Deputy Prime Minister or something like that. It's just the head of the department. Under the Department of Revenue, there are several heads of the department. He's just like the head of the department. And Revenue Secretary is the person recognized in FAFT. You go to the website of the FAFT, you recognize. They don't recognize anybody else but a governmental machinery. They are departmental machineries. A lot of difference between the two. And they recognize the Revenue Department, the Revenue Secretary. And that's what we had said, that there are 3 Revenue Secretaries changed from 19 to 22. 3 Revenue Secretaries till today.
But that argument by you and other petitioners was not accepted.
Did not hold water at all. The court probably was swayed by the fact that what message will go to the international community.
You cannot say that because court didn't allow the extension till 15th October.
No, that's perfectly all right. That asking is not that. Question is that whatever there is, I don't agree.
The government had asked for extension till the 15th of October, but now the court has specifically passed orders that Mishra will cease to hold the chair at midnight on 15th of September.
Yes.
Do you believe that there would be further orders or further applications?
I made a point to the court to say, sir, on the 13th, another application will come for extension. Because it's likely to be there, like just now it has happened. It will come again. So they said, no, we will not entertain any further applications. They said that's the issue. And the word used is national interest, that the Solicitor General was trying to identify the ED, Sanjay Mishra, with our country, India.
Thank you very much, sir. We were speaking to Senior Advocate Anup Chaudhary on the issue. SK Mishra, the incumbent ED Director, will continue in office till the 15th of September, but the Supreme Court has made it clear that he will demit office on the midnight of 15th of September. In fact, the Supreme Court even asking, why is an impression being created that no other competent official exists in the country? Why is it that only Mr. Mishra is required for the FATF review? However, with the central government insisting that India's reputation, India's credit rating and India's position on the FATF list depends on making a good impression during the currently ongoing process of FATF cross-questioning, SK Mishra has for now been allowed to remain in office till 15th of September. With cameraman Sanjay in New Delhi, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.